Before buying a waterless car wash, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner. The Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. This caught my eye because it's not just a cleaner, but a protector for your entire car interior. If you want to keep your car looking pristine without fuss, this is worth a serious look. This cleaner does a great job of tackling dirt and grime on leather, vinyl, plastic, and even glass. It's designed to lift dust and body oils without fading surfaces, ensuring a fresh, streak-free finish. With over 30,000 units sold last month, that's a clear indicator of its popularity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a busy person who hates spending hours cleaning, this product can save you time and hassle while keeping your car looking factory fresh. Now, some people complained about the scent being a bit overwhelming for their taste, but honestly, I think that fresh smell adds to the overall experience of cleaning your car, making it feel like a treat rather than a chore. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for cleaning various surfaces in your car. Skip this one if you prefer a cleaner with no scent at all. Overall, it's a solid value for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's interior. Now, if the idea of a cleaning spray wasn't appealing enough, the next product on the list really changes the game with its unique formulation.
Product number 2, Home Excel Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. We have the Home Excel Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 12-pack. What I love about this product is the sheer convenience of having 12 ultra-absorbent towels at your disposal. If you want streak-free cleaning without scratching your car's surface, this is worth a serious look. These microfiber towels are designed to absorb moisture and dirt effortlessly, making them perfect for drying and detailing your vehicle. They're incredibly soft, so you won't have to worry about harming your paint. The fact that over 10,000 packs were bought last month demonstrates their effectiveness. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for a no-fuss solution that's easy to maintain and use, these cloths will make your cleaning routine smoother. However, some users mention that they lose their absorbency after multiple washes. But I'll be real with you. If you follow the washing instructions, they hold up quite well, and you get a lot of use out of them. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and affordable way to keep your car spotless. Skip this one if you're looking for something fancy or high-tech. For $6.99, you're getting a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for quick, on-the-go cleanups. Product number 3, Chemical Guy's Swift Wipe Spray. The Chemical Guy's Swift Wipe Sprayable Waterless Car Wash Spray. It's super convenient because you can clean your vehicle without any water. If you want a quick solution to keep your vehicle looking shiny, this is worth a serious look. This spray features a high lubrication formula that encapsulates dirt and grime, reducing friction and preventing scratches during cleaning. It's safe for all exterior surfaces, meaning you can use it on paint, glass, and even wheels without leaving any streaks. The fact that it's popular among apartment dwellers and those with water restrictions shows how useful it can be. Here's why this matters for you. If you often find yourself needing to clean your car quickly, this product can be a lifesaver. Some users did mention that it can leave a residue if not wiped properly. Here's the thing though, this is easily avoidable if you use a clean cloth and follow the instructions. This is perfect for you if you need a fast and effective way to touch up your vehicle's exterior. Skip this one if you prefer traditional washing methods. It's a great value for those tight on time. Now, if you're into products that combine multiple benefits, the next one is something you definitely want to hear about.
Product number 4, Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. We have the Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. I was really impressed by its 3-in-1 functionality. It washes, seals, and shines all in one go. If you want to simplify your detailing routine, this is worth a serious look. This product features a nano-ceramic formula that bonds to your car's clear coat, providing lasting protection and a brilliant shine. It's designed to set in just 15 minutes, which means you can quickly apply it and hit the road without waiting around. With over 83,000 verified reviews, people are clearly loving this product. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for a quick yet effective detailing solution, this product is a total win. A few users noted that it can be challenging to apply evenly if you're not careful, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's really straightforward and saves you a ton of time. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one detailing solution that's quick to use. Skip this one if you're not a fan of multi-purpose products or prefer something more specialized. It packs a lot of value for the price. Now, if you're looking for something truly high quality, the last product is something you will not want to miss.
Product number 5, Aero Cosmetics Waterless Wash Wax Kit. We have the Aero Cosmetics Wet or Waterless Wash Wax Kit. This one really stands out for its versatility and quality. If you want a top-notch product that cleans and protects, this is worth a serious look. It's formulated to gently clean while leaving a non-stick UV protective coating on your vehicle. This means you can use it anywhere, whether you're in a garage or an RV park. It's been trusted by military and private aircraft owners for over 35 years, which speaks volumes. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, high-performance product that delivers, this is an excellent choice. However, some customers pointed out that it takes a bit of effort to achieve a professional-level shine, but honestly, if you're detail-oriented, the effort will definitely be worth it for the results. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality product that works on multiple surfaces. Skip this one if you're just looking for a quick clean without any added benefits. For $44.95, you're investing in quality. Each of these options brings something unique to the table. From multi-surface cleaners to convenience sprays, there's something here for everyone.
We covered a range of waterless car wash products, from Chemical Guy's interior cleaner to Aero Cosmetics high-quality wash wax kit. Each option has its strengths and can cater to different cleaning needs. So whether you're short on time or looking for comprehensive protection, you've got some solid choices here.